Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to swap Hamster to Tonkeeper. For that, the process is very easy and simple. Make sure that you follow the Tonkeeper application affiliate link that is provided in the description of this video so you guys can get the best advantages and bonuses on the transactions. So let's get back into the video. In order to transfer your Hamster coin from your Ton wallet to your Tonkeeper wallet, all you have to do is to open up your Tonkeeper wallet and go to the receiving section. You need an receiving wallet address, a UID. So if you have both of these things, you will be able to get the Hamster Combat tokens from the Tonkeeper wallet. So go to the receive button, and here you will see that you need to just copy this receive address. So once you have done that, go back to your Telegram and go to your wallet. And once you're in your wallet, all you have to do is to first transfer and trade your Hamster Comeback token coins into Tone wallet, into the Tone currency. So once you have done that, all you have to do is further is to like send the Tonkeeper. For example, just send and then go to send button and then go to the external wallet and then select the currency that you want to send. For example, for me it's going to be the Tone, or you can simply go and select Hamster as well. So once you have done that, I will share this address. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.